and will be hitting your screens very, very soon. It's all about Forever in a Night. And guess who I have seated with me this morning? The beautiful Nadia Buari is here. Hi, Nadia.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, so happy to have you. And the host of the afternoon show on TV3, Godwin Number.
Hello.
He's also a great actor. I must put that there as well.
Thank you
Godwin.
very much. Hi.
How are you?
Happy to be here. First time.
First time, yes.
Beautiful studio, I must say. Yeah. And it used to be my competition, by the way, when I was doing morning show. So yeah. Happy to be here.
Right, good to have you. Now let's talk about the movie Forever in a Night. First off, what really went into putting all this together? Being actor and actress in here, what did you have to sacrifice to get everything done?
Well, of course, it wasn't so much about a sacrifice, but a lot of my time, money, resources, because it's personally funded. So yes,
You don't say.
Yes. So yeah, so that was a sacrifice I had to make. Yeah, and of course, I mean, I wanted to do this project because it was a dream. I woke up one morning, had a beautiful dream, and then it was a dream about me finding love in one night. Yes. Yeah, so Forever in a Night is a story about two very vulnerable strangers who meet and fall in love, find love in one night.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Godwin, what
Hi.
role did you have to play?
So I played the role of David, this young man who, I don't want to give the story away. I'm being careful right now because Nadia has warned
No, but
me.
let's whet the appetite of our viewers.
Yes, so like she said, a lady finds love in a night. Imagine finding love in...
How is that even possible?
How is that even possible?
Nadia.
It is, it's
But you know-
possible.
Is it?
Yeah, there are people who fall in love, who find love at hello. They say hello and immediately they're falling in love.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've had that experience, but...
Have you? Have you ever been in love?
Please leave me out of this.
Yeah. So yes, I played the role of David, this young man who, you know, was minding his business, runs into this lady, and then that's where it all began.
Yes.
She was. I'm still trying not to give it
Okay,
away.
yeah,
Should I should leave it there. I should leave it
I'll
there.
leave you there.
Yeah, but it was such an experience, you know, exploring the story of these two people, Irabna and David, in one night, all the things they could do, and then when the sun comes up, it's almost like the story of Cinderella.
Yeah.
You know, when the sun comes up, what happens? You know, does it continue or that's what?
Or does it end? My goodness.
Basically.
But I'm actually more interested in the circumstance they have to meet or they met. You know, that's
We
actually
can't give that away. You have to,
Because
That's okay.
That's pretty much a
fine.
simple story.
Yes, it's a very
simple.
so that's the thing. It's the simplest love story you would ever watch.
Okay.
So there's no we can't really give so much because then if we did, we would give everything out. Yeah.
Nadia, this is not the first time that you've made a movie.
No, this would be my fourth time.
Your fourth time.
Yes.
Okay, so I would say that it's something you want to do full time now?
Yes. You know, I branched out as a producer basically to give people the opportunity because somebody gave me the platform, you know. So I realized that a lot of producers don't like to take risks. They want to cast people who are already known. Yeah, so if I could use my platform to be able to have to give someone an opportunity to unearth their talents, I definitely would. So that's the reason I branched out into producing. Also because a lot of the scripts I have, I don't think I've been challenged enough.
Okay.
You know, so yes, I would wake up one morning and would want to do like a horror flick, you know, and
Okay.
and then I'm like, okay, I don't think producers are daring enough, so let me just do it my way. Yeah.
So speaking about giving the platform to newbies, this particular movie, who are the new ones?
So the guy who played my character's husband is this is his acting debut. Yeah, this is his first time ever. Wow. He's never done anything before, like on screen. So yes, and he had a lead role. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Godwin, you've been doing this for a very long time.
Yes.
And I want you to throw in a word of advice, especially to the young men who are looking to get into acting. Quite a number of times we hear people say that when it comes to acting, it favors the women more than the men. I don't know if that is true. But so first question, is it true?
I mean, take it or leave it. It's life. It's nature. A woman will always have some form of advantage over a man. It's natural. That's how I feel. So it's not a problem. It's okay for a woman to have that advantage. But when it comes to young men who want to get into acting, should I advise only the young men or everybody, right?
Everybody.
I think honing your craft is very, very important.
Okay.
I think that a lot of people are so fixated on wanting to be known and wanting to be famous instead of honing their craft. So I'll say hone your craft. Right. Very, very important. Know the right things to do because, like Denzel said, he'd rather do a few things that are good and have impact than do a lot of things. This is my opinion. So hone your craft. Choose the right stuff that, you can't play everything. That's really it. No matter how good you are, there are certain things you can't do, and don't force yourself to do everything. Just choose the right stuff, hone your craft, and be very humble.
Very humble.
They say that discipline over talent, right, Nadia? Yeah, discipline over talent. So someone may be very talented, but with a terrible behavior, you really won't go anywhere. So being very humble, being very disciplined is more important than... So you see people who may not necessarily be your favorite actor or very good actors, but they're so disciplined at what they do. In no time, you see them shining.
Godwin, still on you. I don't know if you have felt stereotyped to some extent, but it looks like a lot of movies that you are involved in, you're a bad boy.
I don't know why.
I mean,
why? Nadia, why? Why do you people cast me for just bad boy roles? I could be a good guy. I could be anything. I could be a monster. I could be, I could play anything. So producers out there, I could play anything, please.
You can be anything.
Yeah.
But you've not really thought much into it.
No, I have. I've thought about it. I mean, when the roles come and it's good, I like it, so I'll play it anyway. But I've certainly thought about doing I have played something different. Unfortunately, it wasn't, put out there. Yeah, it wasn't put out there, so people didn't see it. But yeah, and I'm working on some stuff myself. Because, like Nadia said, sometimes when you don't feel challenged, you create your own challenge.
That's true. Yeah. So create your own.
Yeah.
All right. Nadia, give us details on the premiering. When is it happening? Where?
So it's happening at the Silverbird Cinemas from the 9th of November. So if you don't get to see it on the 9th, you can get to see it on the 10th, 11th, it's from the 9th, yes, at the Silverbird Cinemas for only 100 CDs.
Only?
And there are 2 showings, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. So if you miss the 7 p.m. showing, you can make it up for the 9 p.m. showing, yes. And it's a beautiful love story. I feel like everybody should come and watch.
Oh, everybody should be there. I'll be there. And then right afterwards, you're going to go to Guinness Ghana DJ Awards. That will be also happening on the 9th of November. But Nadia, before you go, I want you to put out your final words. What would you tell your viewers, your fans, everybody?
So currently I'm promoting Forever and a Night. So my fans, I want you guys to make sure you come and see the movie. A lot of people say, oh, it's been a long time. I have done some works, but maybe from NSB Studios, you guys haven't really seen anything.
That's true.
Yeah, so anything lately. So this is Forever and a Night for you. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So make sure you come and see it.
Okay, 9th of November, we will definitely be there. Godwin?
Yes, definitely. 9th of November. Don't miss out, like she said. It's such a beautiful love story. You really want to see this movie. I mean, working with Nadia was such,
super.
Second time, but such an honor. She's such an amazing person. And the story is sweet. I really want you guys to come and see it.
Yeah.
Okay, so 9th November, reiterating, from 9th, not on the 9th.
From 9th going, you can go watch at the Silverbird Cinema. Yeah. Okay, ticket, 100 Ghana cedis. Cool, 100 Ghana cedis. It's not much. Nadia, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you
and I know that we are going to keep on seeing you bring out more and greater movies in the coming years. And Godwin, thank you for your time this morning as well. And that's all about it. It's all about Forever in a Night. And I can't wait to see you on the 9th of November. But if you're unable to be there on the 9th, from 9th going, you can go watch it at the Silverbird Cinemas.